Hi everyone, hope you and your family are safe and healthy, and I also hope you've been enjoying home cooking. Today we're going to make spicy chicken fried rice, and it's so delicious, and the ingredients are also very simple. I'm going to show you soon. I often get questions about my fried rice, why I didn't use soy sauce. Is soy sauce must-have for fried rice? The answer is no. But I do know most of the takeout fried rice is made with soy sauce. That's totally fine. And also you can always serve your fried rice with soy sauce. Actually today I'm going to make this fried rice with soy sauce. My first video, very first video on my channel is fried rice. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You guys can check out and tell me how I have changed over 8 years and how my recipes changed over 8 years. So first, fried rice in Chinese, 炒饭. Let me show you the ingredients. As I explained in other fried rice recipes of mine, the key to make a good fried rice, great fried rice, you have to have leftover fried rice, cooked rice, either from previous day or 2 days ago. Actually, this rice is 2 days old and in the refrigerator. So that's the key. This is a medium grain rice, California rice. You can use jasmine rice, and we just break the rice like this. So when we cook, it's not going to be stick together. And of course I have 2 eggs. I always season with a little bit white pepper powder, a little bit salt, and I have 1 chicken breast. You can use chicken tender or you can use chicken thigh meat. I'm probably going to use half it, so we'll cut later. And I have 1 carrot. We're going to dice it. Let's cut into slices first. So that's our diced carrot. And I have half onion. You can also use red onion. So that's our diced onions. I'm going to use half of it, so we have the same amount as the carrot. And I showed my green onions and the community. Share with you guys some growing some green onions. This is about 6 days now. They start growing like this, but not ready to use, right? Meanwhile, I also froze some green onions. I washed them thoroughly and chopped up. You can see 2 sizes. This is chopped finely. This is longer. So you don't need to defrost them. You just take out when we need to use it. And I have the chili pepper powder. This is a Sichuan chili pepper powder. You can also use a cayenne powder. And the next we're going to cut the chicken. I'm going to use half of the chicken breast. Save half. That's our diced chicken. Now we're going to season the chicken. To season the chicken, we add a little bit white pepper powder. You can use black pepper powder. And a little bit salt. Mix well. And a little bit vegetable oil. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the wok to high. We add some vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil. First, we're going to cook the eggs. It's hot. Yes. And break into small pieces. Now we take out the eggs, set aside. Add a little bit more oil. I'm going to cook the chicken. It takes about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, you can see the chicken color change, and we add our vegetables. I'm not going to use all the onions, just half of it. Add a little bit salt. Let this cook about 2 minutes. About 2 minutes, our vegetables are also tender. Now let's add eggs and rice. It's about 3 cups rice. Mix well. And try to break the rice. So we cook till rice all separate. Now we add soy sauce. And green onions. My frozen green onions. It is heavy. And last, our chili powder. Depends on how spicy you like. It looks great and it smells so great. I cannot wait to try for you guys. Spicy and sweet from the vegetables. Chicken's delicious. The soy sauce is not overpowering. Please try to make it. You can even skip chicken if you don't want to make it with meat. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Please try.